Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hannukah, a Happy Kawanzaa, and there's probably other holidays celebrated in December throughout the world that I might be forgetting. So happy holidays, everyone. I really appreciate your support and appreciate everyone who has subscribed to the channel, especially those who have been with me for the long run. It's been over 7 years that I've had the channel, and here's to another year of lots of videos. So I'm excited to bring more content to you in 2021, and I'll still probably have a video or two left for the end of this year as well. But thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your comments. And thank you for trying out the recipes and letting me know how it turned out and how you liked them. So I look forward to seeing your comments and looking forward to interacting with you again in 2021. We all know that 2020 has been a crazy year, so hopefully 2021 will be a little bit better. Take care, everyone. Once again, happy holidays, and I'll see you again soon.